night, shining bright, dream gazing with all my might. 1, 2, 3, up in the sky, infinite thoughts make me high. Counting wishes flying by, reality takes a backseat on a cosmic ride. Tonight, with the stars beneath my feet, feel the rhythm, hearts in sync. Galaxies got their own blink, celestial dance, don't miss a step. Wrapped in cosmos like a mink, cosmic love, a boundless embrace. Sparkling lights in endless space of celestial truths. We seek a trace of spirits interlace. Counting stars we drift away, by night's compass find our way. Echoes of the universe, no written verse, melody sway. Galactic tunes with silent play, singing whispers till the day. Blurring lines between perfect sky in the nighttime's grand ballet. Twinkling lights above us gleam, whispered secrets in the beam. Numbers fade into the night, magic moments in our scene. Sights we kindle cosmic dreams, in the starlight's velvet frame. Mirror thoughts of distant dreams, in the Milky Way's grand celestial tales in daylight's glow. Mapped across the darkened hole, silent ladders, spaces roll. Beyond our worldly control, astral paths in motion slow. We lose ourselves in cosmic flame, mirror thoughts of distant moons, in the Milky Way's grand celestial tales in midnight scroll. Mapped across the darkened hole, silent patterns, spaces roll. Beyond our worldly control, astral paths in motion slow. We lose ourselves in cosmic flow. Mysteries we don't know, where universe's secrets glow. Oh, 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 oh. Counting stars we drift away, by night's compass find our way. Echoes of the universe, no reverse, melody sway. Galactic tunes with silent play, singing whispers.